Is there no casamoris? Is there no casamoris?
Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Crazy Eats. So
No, should I not
today I
eat?
have a eating video for you. So we
Look, I'm
had
eating chicken
the menu
jalfrezi.
as it stated. We had chicken jalfrezi, we had keema
Frazy.
pilau, we had aubergine
Keema.
bazi, dal, white rice,
Keema.
and
Keema
accompaniments for me
Pilau.
was some green chilies
Okay.
and lemon
Put
as
that there.
usual. So yeah, it
Keema
was a
Pilau.
great plate of food
Rice.
that my
Aubergine
wife
bazi.
cooked.
Dal.
Keema rice was exceptionally nice,
Lovely,
and the
lovely.
jalfrezi
Why
was
laughing at?
very, very tasty.
Meaty. What
Although I couldn't get to the bottom of, there was something in my bite
are you
which was
eating?
really, really
Chips.
hot. I thought it was whole black pepper, but yeah, it may have been something else. But regardless, the food was really, really nice. The dial was, I say sponsored, but it was given to me by my sister. Actually, the dial was very, very nice. It had the shathora. I don't know whether you've seen it in one of my previous videos.
Just,
Shathora I class
she's being
as a
shy. Just give
citrus
her some.
family. It's very, very nice. You can actually eat it with meat, fish, vegetables, dal, which my sister put that in the dal. That was absolutely delicious as well. And the aubergine bazi, again, that was really, really nice. So guys, enjoy the video, watch till the
Nice.
end. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you very, very much for everyone who have already subscribed. Please press the like button, it helps me
Subscribe now.
enormously with YouTube. And
Watch
also
this.
press the bell icon, so all the new uploads I have, you get a notification. So guys,
I'm saying,
enjoy, and
I'm going to try some
inshallah see
barbecue.
you soon with another upload. Assalamu alaikum.
Did you put hot for in it? Hot for. The dye.
That's not mum. That was mum. And she did. Do you like Papa's daddy?
Yeah. It's nice.
Do you like Papa's daddy?
Yeah.
Why not? I'm just asking questions. I'm gonna eat, right? What else? No. Are you sure? No. Sometimes. Look, if you have two more, then you're going to be all finished up. Yeah. It's good if you don't sleep with them. Let me have the egg. It's so hot.
Why is it so dark? I must have had that thing, black pepper. Did you put that?
I put long.
I swear I saw you cook fish.
I was going to make something. Get it. I'm doing that. They have like a small transaction fee. And then they have then the actual. Yeah, but then if you're buying it for more than one person. I'll bring the plate here. No, I'm going to use the next one. That's why I said